Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Cut. Today we've done a really beautiful 2018 BMW i8. On this system, on this particular vehicle, we fitted two systems. We fitted the Ghost Immobiliser and we fitted the Starline tracker. I'm going to run through quickly how the actual Ghost Immobiliser is. So if someone was to clone this key, jump in and try and start it, this is what would happen. So let's start the vehicle. Vehicle starts. As soon as I select a gear, there you go, vehicle's cut out. Really clever, really straightforward. So all the customer does now is every time he jumps in the vehicle, he just goes through a basic, what we call push sequence disarm procedure. So basically, ignition on, goes through his disarm. So on here, we've done something very simple. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Get a double flash from the indicators. There you go. And you can start the vehicle. There you go, you can see it says ready. If I select a gear now, I can drive it away. So really clever, really straightforward. Also, when the customer wants to take it for a service, he can place it into valet mode. And the way he would place it into valet mode is really simple. Again, main ignition on. Go through his disarm. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash from the indicators. There you go. And then hit the traction control button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll see the indicators will flash 5 times. There you go. And now it's in what we call valet mode. So the customer can drive it around as many times as you want. Obviously give it to the dealership. Once he gets the vehicle back, all he has to do is main ignition on. Go through his disarm. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash. There you go. It's now out of valet mode. So then as soon as he turns off the ignition, thereafter, it will immobilise itself. So really clever, really straightforward. Hope you found this quick video on this i8 BMW. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028906 0478, 028906 0478. Thank you, bye-bye.